How's it going, everyone? My name's Cameron, and I'm the founder of Tenaz. So this video is going to be a cool one. In this video, we're going to talk about some of the technology that we're building, some of the utilities for the Tenaz ecosystem. We're going to talk about their importance, how they're going to benefit the user, and how they're going to incentivize being a Tenaz holder when we go live on the mainnet. Now, I just want to say a couple things before we dive into those topics. First of all, I've said it multiple times, and I'm just going to keep saying it. Thank you to the community as we approach 80,000 miners. I'm filled with gratitude. It takes a strong community for a project to succeed, and at Tanaz, we are absolutely blessed to have that. So again, a massive thank you for those of you that are watching, for those of you that are liking, commenting, engaging. Together, we can achieve great things on a global scale. Now, the next thing I want to touch on is ads. We currently have ads disabled while we work on some upgrades for the next version of our app, but here's a fair warning, they will be back. I hope you guys can understand that the ads are the only current revenue for the project, and it's designed to bridge the gap until we can start making transactional profits from financial utilities. Now, I've heard some complaints about the ads, so here's my response, being 100% honest. If grinding ads for 1 or 2 minutes a day is too inconvenient, then you don't deserve to win. So ads are, of course, not only a fair method to keep the project free for the user, but it also allows us to stay true to our mission, which is to create opportunity, inclusivity, and a fair token distribution at a global scale. But anyways, guys, I just wanted to be transparent, and I didn't want it to be a surprise when the ads do go live again. And another huge thank you to the community for doing your part, engaging, commenting, giving suggestions, everything you're doing. We see you and we appreciate you. One thing you can always count on is myself and the rest of the team at Tenaz will continue to do our part and push this project forward. Now let's talk about technology. What is cryptocurrency lacking in 2025? Cryptocurrency has been around for over 15 years. Now my question is to you is, can you spend it in your daily lives? I understand we can send it. I understand we can swap it. We can exchange it for gift cards. We can purchase some things online. But can you go get your groceries? Can you fill your gas with cryptocurrency? Now, that's the biggest gap that Tanaz Technologies Incorporated has identified. And that's the gap that we're bridging. That's the purpose of the Tanaz debit card that we're building, which will give users the opportunity to spend their cryptocurrency at POS systems around the world. Now remember, it is 2025 and we already have a lot more convenient technology than that. Many of you may be familiar with and use Apple Pay or Google Pay depending what device you have. So basically it's a method to link your bank account and be able to pay at different retailers' POS systems with a tap of your phone. Prior to tapping your phone, you have to link a bank card, a debit card, a credit card, whatever it may be, and give authorization to pull funds from said card or funding source. We believe this would be a great opportunity to link cryptocurrency to that POS system. So we are designing a secondary mobile application into the Tenaz ecosystem where instead of linking your debit card or credit card, you're linking your cryptocurrency wallet. Basically, you'll authorize, take from your Ethereum wallet, XRP wallet, Bitcoin wallet, Tenaz wallet. It'll utilize the beautiful thing about blockchain technology, and that's instant transaction. So when you tap at a POS system, it'll instantly create a sell signal for whatever currency you have in your wallet into the fiat currency of the country that you're in and fund the POS system. So of course, this is the long-term revenue plan for Tenaz Technologies Incorporated, is to earn small micro profits off of transactions similar to Square, Stripe, PayPal, or any other payment platform. But then also the way we can incentivize Tenaz holders is waiving fees when you're paying with Tenaz. So this is what I mean when I talk about having utilities in place before launching the Tenaz token onto the mainnet. Now I believe this is where other projects have failed, is not putting enough into the ecosystem and not giving the users enough reason to hold the token. I not only want to do that, but I want to incentivize and give users a reason to swap other currencies into Tenaz. When we're looking into our future success, this is the same mindset that we keep when building all of our technology. Questions we ask ourselves is, how can we maintain and increase value for the Tenaz token while concurrently earning revenue for our company. So anyways, guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. I want to thank you for taking a glimpse into what we're working on. I hope this video has gave you a better understanding and a better vision of what we're working towards. This is not going to be a short journey by any means. These are real technologies we're building at a global scale. But I'll be with you the whole way through. So that being said, stay tuned for the next update, guys. You'll be hearing from me very soon.